Lolo, be careful. They'll hear us.
Sorry, my hand slipped.
Hello, tiny friends. Remember how tired they were in the previous episode?
Did you hear them too?
They've been working in the garden all day. Their paws must be so tired.
You're right. We should do something for them.
Let's make a special dinner for them.
I can do the cooking. I watched her cooking reels.
No, you'll drop something again.
I will grab that tiny spatula.
Oh, really? Tiny for you.
Can you please help us? We need to make the most special dinner ever.
Okay.
Thank you.
Menu: fried rice, egg and juice. What do you all think?
And dessert?
Lolo, we don't have dessert.
Fine, we have imagination.
Now we will watch Human Chef.
That's a hand pump. Amazing. already smells so good.
I told you our chef never disappoints.
Do you think they'll guess we made this?
Not if Lolo stops dropping things.
Finally, the meal is ready.
Time to set the table. This is going to be perfect.
I can't wait. Just a teeny tiny bite, please. I'll just grab the bowl, okay?
Lolo, what did you do?
I'm
I
sorry.
knew this would happen.
Go, now. Check if they heard that.
Yes, you made the noise. You check.
Oh, okay, I'll go.
That came from inside. Did anyone put any bell?
No, we didn't.
I'm going inside. We need to find what's happening.
Are you sure, Bluey? We're really scared.
Don't worry, Hazel. Bluey always figures things out.
Please be careful.
Why is Lolo taking so long?
He probably froze, like always.
What if he tells them everything by accident?
They heard it.
Of course they did. It sounded like an earthquake.
Let's set the table, fast. Bluey is coming.
Perfect!
Yeah, what is that? You guys made this?
It was supposed to be a surprise.
But Lolo ruined the surprise with sound effects.
Please, I tried.
This is amazing. Let's prank them. I will scream.
Oh, I like you.
Bluey, are you all right?
Come here quick.
Is something wrong? This isn't a ghost. You made this for us?
We saw how hard you worked in the garden.
So you all deserved a good meal.
And a surprise.
So surprise dinner today.
They really made this for us. How sweet.
And this fried rice looks amazing.
This is really good.
This tastes like heaven. Candy too. This day keeps getting better.
Me too. I feel loved.
They put so much effort.
This was the perfect surprise. Thank you.
This means a lot.
You helped the garden grow, so we help your tummy grow.
And maybe next time you cook for us?
Bluey will do it.
Why me?